Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to link Zego with Uber Eats. So let's get started. First, open the Zego Delivery application on your phone. Then tap the option at the bottom of the screen and here select Work Providers. You will see another option, Add Work Provider selected. From the list, choose Uber Eats. Then review and accept the terms and conditions. Then tap Agree and add it. Now you have to tap the button that says Account Not Linked. Select Link Account and follow the on-screen steps to connect your Uber Eats delivery account. Always make sure you are linking a delivery account, not a private hire account. Then move to step number 9. Once the account is connected, Zego will provide you with a letter of enrollment. Some things are important to note, and these are: if you do not complete a shift with the link provider for 30 days, that provider will be removed from your Zego account. Then you will need to relink the provider and download a new letter of enrollment to start working again. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.